Right now, we're seeing a notable uptick in world sentiment, with a score of plus 0.03 and a momentum increase of plus 0.39. This is particularly striking against the backdrop of recent fluctuations in sentiment data, where stability has been the norm. You might want to explore how this shift can influence your decision-making. Our API provides comprehensive sentiment analysis, returning not just the sentiment score, but also insights from 20 semantic clusters that underpin these numbers. Imagine using this data to adjust your algorithms in real time, responding to global sentiment changes as they happen. This could enhance your strategies for customer engagement or risk management. Dive deeper into these insights at pulsebit.logenterprise.com/docs. Let's leverage this data together.